Meet the Steam Deck OLED, the handheld PC that's changing portable gaming. With its brand new 7.4-inch HDR OLED display, colours are richer, blacks are deeper, and every game feels more alive than ever before. Unlike the standard model, the OLED version has a bigger battery, giving you up to 50% longer playtime, so you can enjoy AAA titles without constantly looking for a charger. But here's something not everyone knows. The new Wi-Fi 6E support means faster downloads and smoother online play. And the internal cooling system has been redesigned to run quieter, so your sessions stay immersive without distracting fan noise. It's still a full PC in your hands. You can install mods, emulators, and even run Windows if you want. And with up to 1 terabyte of storage, you don't have to worry about deleting games just to make room for new ones. If you've been debating between a Nintendo Switch and something more powerful, the Steam Deck OLED is the bridge. Portable like a console, but with the freedom of a gaming PC. Check out my affiliate link in the description to grab yours today, and see why so many gamers are calling this the ultimate handheld of 2025.